Diane in Denmark here, look at that sunshine here in Copenhagen this morning. I'll put the blinds down. Checking with you today, and I'm checking with you every single day of February. We are looking for one item to declutter. I'm working on Flylady Zone 4, the bedroom this week. I've got some stuff to show you, so let's head over. White blazer, one of my staples. That's obviously not going. That's what I'm wearing today. Found a few sweaters that I'm putting in the bag for our swap this week. Oh, can't wait for the swap. Pale pink sweater. I've discovered that I don't like these kind of very basic sweaters. The fit is just too narrow. It's not very feminine. I like ones with more of a little puffed sleeve. And also something, this one I got at a swap. And also I've discovered I really don't like these sweaters with the little kind of slits either side. And the same goes for tops where it's high at the front and low at the back. I'm a type 1 secondary 4 in Dressing Your Truth. And I think I like my kind of parallel lines, straight lines. And that's just really annoying. And of course, I mean, you could sew them if you really wanted to keep it. But anyway, this one is going back to the swap. And this is a similar green one, and I'll just show you one of the green sweaters that I do love. And again, it's that just kind of boring fit. And look at that, again, one of these ones. And I don't like the little holes in it. So anyway, that's going to the swap. You can see the difference. It's got a big, bit more puffy sleeve. It's got the animation going on. As a type 1, we need to have a bit of animation in our outfits, like you can see in today's top. I don't like too much pattern, but there's a bit of not texture as such, but animation. And I love this top. And this one, I really like it, and it comes to the right place on me. So this one is a keeper. And again, for orange, I'm not a big fan of orange. I do like this orange sweater, and you can see that it's quite chunky, and it's got the fuller sleeve. And this one, again, is just a bit too plain and boring, so that one goes. On to some other fun stuff that I found. Here's my little baggie that's got hair stuff in it. Now, this one I'm keeping. This one is occasionally used for dressing up, Halloween and stuff. So that one's going in the dressing up box, which is in the basement. A few hair bands. I'll check with my daughter, but I'm pretty sure she won't want these. So those are going. That one I'll keep. I've got a couple of gold ones. These will stay. And oh, as you see, got quite a lot of these, and I never use hair clasps. And I'll keep a couple of those, but the rest can go. A couple more bracelets that can go from my stand. And remember to keep looking through your stuff, because you may get used to just kind of seeing it there the whole time. So those are going. And some little brooches. This one I've had, I think, since I was a teenager. I'm pretty sure I got it in a second-hand shop. And sometimes we kind of hold on to things because we've always held on to it. It's not actually got any story behind it. It didn't belong to my granny, anything like that. So this one is going, as is this one. I mean, it's quite nice coloured stones, but I don't like the shape of it. And the wee Scotty pin, you see that? That's going as well. And one thing that's not going, I've got these Velcro kind of foam rollers, and I do occasionally use these, and I've got my granny's little thin scarf, you know, that you put round your head to stop the rollers falling out. So those ones are staying. And in other news, it is Shrove Tuesday. I had pancakes for my breakfast this morning. And it's also Tuesday in Flylady land is Plan and Play Day. And I actually also like to call it Plan for Play Day. This is the day that I make my menus. Just set your time for 10 or 15 minutes and get started on it. And also I like to plan for play, have something in the calendar that I can look forward to. And one of those things is tonight I'm going out with my ladies group, my international ladies group, and we're going on another cooking class here in Copenhagen tonight. So I'm looking forward to that. So make sure to plan a wee bit of fun for yourselves. What can you declutter for today? Remember, just look for one item, and Read the comments. It's fantastic. So many of you are seeing real success now, especially because you're checking with me every day. Just take one item and go from there. It can be Flylady Zone 4, can be somewhere else in the house. Remember to like the video, subscribe, share with a friend, blah, 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 blah. And I'll see you back here tomorrow, Wednesday. Woohoo! All I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the decluttering hygge be with you. And I'll see you tomorrow with a rah, rah, rah. Bye for now.